How to log in Shopify account using Apple on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, if you haven't installed your Shopify app, then go to your app store and then install it and then go ahead and hit open. Now, here you'll see the get started or login options. So you can just tap on login if you want to log in from your Apple account and then hit continue. And then once you've done that, you can see the Apple logo. Tap on it and then it will redirect you to Apple, and then you can just hit continue with your Apple email, and that's it. This is how you can open your Shopify account with your Apple ID. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.